Hello and welcome. My name's Adam Pratt, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to another Chaos to Memories course. Our studio is a busy place where we organize digital photos, scan physical photos, convert home movies, and more. We love the work we do, and we're very passionate about preserving memories. But passion alone doesn't pay the bills. We're also running a business, supporting our families, and sending our kids to college. So we need to manage projects well, delight our clients, and make a profit. When I was first introduced to the business of photo organization, I was really discouraged. I heard countless nightmare stories that almost scared me away. These stories of low wages, unclear deliverables, and never-ending projects made me wonder if anybody could make a living at this work, or if it was just an underpaid hobby or an altruistic labor of love. I wonder if you've heard stories like this, or maybe you've experienced them yourself. Have you found that the biggest projects made the least profit? Have you ever not been sure if or when a project is complete? Do you sometimes feel that you're not clear on the next steps in the project? Or maybe you're not sure when you should invoice your client. Are there long periods of work with no income? And do you have clients who won't pay their invoice or pick up at the end of a project? If you're a photo organizer with clients and you find yourself in any of these situations, then this course is for you. You'll learn how to manage photo organizing projects with confidence in a way that's fair for your clients and profitable for you. So what about you? Do you have the confidence to manage large photo projects? Or do you hesitate to take on large projects because you feel overwhelmed? Do you ever tackle large projects with enthusiasm but regret it in the end because you realize you should be making more money for all the time you poured into the project? At Chaos to Memories, we organize millions of photos every year, and we work with clients all across the country and around the world. We attract lots of large and complicated projects, which we love. But large projects require good project management and strategic thinking in order for them to go smoothly and end profitably. You already know that photo organizing projects can be complex and full of surprises. So it's essential to manage expectations and communicate clearly with your client. This ensures a great experience for your client and clarity and confidence for you as a professional photo organizer. Even if this course sounds interesting, you might wonder what makes me qualified to teach about this topic. I think 3 things stand out. Number 1, my entire career has been spent managing large projects, including huge website designs, conferences with thousands of attendees, and helping launch major products like Adobe Creative Cloud. I'm very comfortable with large projects. Number 2, at Chaos to Memories, we attract large client projects that include tens of thousands of scans, millions of digital photos, and miles of film reels. For me, managing large photo projects isn't a theoretical activity, it's my daily reality. And number 3, of course, having large projects doesn't necessarily mean they're managed well. But I'm happy to say we're really doing this well, and we're getting better every day. Just in the last 3 years, we've grown our revenue year over year by 32%, then 45%, and then 95%. If you're ready for this kind of improvement and growth, then I hope you'll sign up. In this course, you'll learn my 7 secrets to managing photo organizing projects from beginning to end. Here's what you'll learn if you sign up now. In the first module, you'll learn about managing the client experience, and that starts with setting expectations. This is foundational, and if you don't do this well, nothing else matters and you won't be successful. With a clear plan and progress reports to support that plan, you can build trust with your clients. Earning trust is essential, but truly delighting your clients is what will make them love you and why they'll tell their friends about you. This course is all about managing large photo organizing projects, and delivering in phases is good for project management and cash flow. Invoices are essential to running a business, but have you ever considered them to be a source of inspiration? With a little creativity, you can develop invoices that help clients love what you do for them and be excited to pay you. I consider every project a stepping stone to better projects and greater profitability. But it's essential to track your progress today so you're ready for better projects tomorrow. If you execute on the previous 6 steps, then you'll be able to develop referrals and grow your business. Module 1 is all about managing clients, and in Module 2, you'll learn about managing the actual project work. First, you'll learn about creating urgency and demand for a project that's usually been waiting for decades. Next, you'll learn how to prioritize projects as your business grows. Next, you'll learn how to sequence the phases of organizing projects of physical photos. Next, you'll learn our high-level workflow for managing digital photo organizing projects. And one of the most common questions we get is if you should start with physical or digital photos in a mixed project. And I'll give you my reasons for how we approach that. And number 6, for the first time ever, I'm going to teach you the overall process we use for home movie conversion projects. Then, in Module 3, you'll learn why it's so important to track your projects, even if you work alone. You'll learn 7 tips for tracking physical organizing projects and 7 tips for tracking digital organizing projects. Then, you'll learn 3 creative ways to work as a team for greater efficiency. And finally, you'll learn how to break through common bottlenecks to deliver projects with confidence. So what will you get if you sign up? Well, you're going to get an hour and a half of self-paced video training in 20 lessons. You can access these lessons on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. You'll also get a PDF resource guide full of important links and workflow checklists. You'll also get a copy of our project tracking form as a printable PDF. And you'll also get access to downloadable transcripts for every lesson to use as reference notes. And you get immediate access to all lessons with no expiration. One of the best things about this course is that it's full of real examples from actual client projects in our studio. You'll learn the principles and discover how they work in real life. The other thing that I love about this course is that there are 2 winners. As a photo organizer, you'll learn how to manage projects with confidence and clarity. And your clients will also win because they're going to have a better client experience and better final project. I haven't taught these lessons anywhere else before, and I'm so excited about this course because I believe it will increase your confidence in project management, improve your client experience, and grow your business. I hope you're as excited as I am, so let's keep going in the next lesson.